Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Cherokee Lock Picking. Well, today I have a master lock. It is a DIMPLE. And this lock was sent to Bearsback. Daz Evers sent it to him. And he decided, Bearsback decided to make it into a community lock in honor of Daz Evers. And I think that is really cool that he did that. And he actually did two of them. But today I'm just going to pick one. And I'm going to hopefully pick one. And let's see if I can get this open on camera. It's a really cool little lock. I really like the feel of it. It's pretty neat. Okay, I'm just going to use this 50 thousandths pry bar. I've tried different things, see what would fit the best, and I really couldn't find anything that would work real well, so I guess this is it. And try to get my hands out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. I guess I should get closer here. Sorry. A little out of practice here. On the filming, I haven't been filming lately. Okay, got a little click on, like maybe 4. I think I got a little turn there. And I picked it once so far. Did last night, and oops, I lost, there it goes. And I noticed I got a fault set going on now. And I noticed that I couldn't get under the pin, so I had to lift up to get under it. And I was afraid I was going to drop it, so here we go again, it's doing it again. I'm fairly new at picking dimples. A little bit more of a fault set. I did picked an Avis on video, and that was quite a challenge. It's a very different feel because you have to manually lift almost all the pins to, I just lost my fault set again. Trying to get under them. Got it back. There must be one in here somewhere, and I'm not really sure where it would be. Kind of picked this last night when I was tired, so I don't know what I did. A little bit more of a fault set back, but can't get under that one pin. There we go. Alright, that's a fun pick. Well, I'm getting ready to do another lock trade pretty soon. Wondering if somebody out there is interested in picking a dimple. That is so cool. Thank you very much, Bearsback, for sending this out to me. And I'm going to show you the key. And maybe if I go this direction, I don't know, hopefully it'll show up. And thank you so much, Daz Evers, for sending this to Bearsback. I saw this on his channel and I thought, man, I would love to pick that. Because that Avis I picked was brutal. And I thought, I wonder what a master would be like as a dimple. And oh, now I know. But when I first started to pick this, I noticed that I was probably picking it too hard. And when I really lightened up and started using very light picking and tension, well, then I figured it out. That is so cool. Thank you so much, both of you, for sending this out, Bearsback and Daz Evers. If you haven't checked out their channel, I hope you do. They are super. Thank you, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.